You use your car every day, but honestly, there is a good chance you have never discovered some of its smartest hidden features. And, one of them could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Here are 17 hidden car features most drivers have no idea exist. Secret number 17. The hidden key inside your key fob. If your key fob battery dies, do not panic. Most key fobs have a hidden mechanical key inside. Just look for a small latch or button on the side, and the key will slide out. Many cars also hide the actual door lock behind a small cover near the handle. This simple feature can save you from being locked out and paying for an expensive locksmith. Secret number 16. The traction control button. That little button with the car and squiggly lines is your traction control system. It helps stop your wheels from spinning on wet roads, snow, or ice. But here is something most drivers do not know. If your car gets stuck in mud or deep snow, turning traction control off can actually help you get free. Secret number 15. Turning off lane departure warnings. If your car constantly beeps every time you move near a lane line, you are not stuck with it. Most vehicles have a button or setting that lets you reduce or completely turn off lane departure warnings. Look for a symbol showing a car between two lines. Alright, so here's secret number 14, the air recirculation button. You know that button with the circular arrow? It actually does a lot more than you might think. It keeps smoke, bad smells, and dirty air from sneaking into your car. Plus, it helps your AC cool down the cabin way faster, especially when it's really hot outside. Next up, secret number 13, adjusting your steering wheel properly. Honestly, a lot of drivers never bother to adjust their steering wheel after they buy their car. But, under the steering column, there's usually this small lever that lets you move the wheel higher, lower, closer, or farther away. Getting it in the right spot makes driving way more comfortable, and actually gives you better control. And finally, secret number 12, the hidden sun visor extension. If the sun keeps hitting your eyes from the side, definitely check your visor. A lot of cars have this hidden extension that slides out and blocks extra sunlight. Most people never even notice it, but honestly, it makes a huge difference. Secret number 11. Your hazard lights can do more than you think. Hazard lights are not just for breakdowns. In some vehicles, pressing or holding the button in different ways can activate extra emergency lighting modes, making your car easier to see in dangerous situations. Secret number 10. The arrow next to the fuel icon. Ever forget which side your gas cap is on? Look at the fuel pump symbol on your dashboard. The little arrow next to it points to the side where your gas cap is located. Secret number 9. The fuel cap holder. Inside the fuel door there is often a small hook made to hold your gas cap while you fill up. Using it keeps the cap clean and prevents scratches on your car. Secret number 8. Rolling down the windows with your remote. On a lot of cars, if you just hold down the unlock button on your key fob, all the windows will roll down automatically. It's honestly perfect for letting that hot air out before you even get into the car. Secret number 7. The shift lock override. If your battery dies and your car won't shift into neutral, there's usually a hidden release near the gear shifter. Just remove the small cover, press the button underneath, and you can move the shifter even if there's no power. Secret number 6. The mirror tab for night driving. That little tab under your rearview mirror is actually there for a reason. Flip it at night and it'll reduce the glare from headlights behind you, making driving way easier on your eyes. Alright, secret number 5 is the snowflake warning light. So, if you spot a snowflake symbol on your dashboard, your car is actually trying to warn you that the road might be icy. Even if everything looks totally fine outside, there's still a chance the road could be slippery, so it's good to stay alert. Alright, secret number 4, the trunk escape handle. Most modern cars, have a glow-in-the-dark handle inside the trunk. If someone ever gets trapped inside, just pulling it will open the trunk from the inside. Moving on, secret number 3, hidden storage compartments. A lot of cars actually have secret compartments under the seats or even in the floor. They're just perfect for stashing tools, valuables, or emergency supplies out of sight. Okay, secret number 2. Speed-sensitive volume. If your music seems to get louder when you drive faster, that's not just your imagination. Some cars will automatically adjust the volume based on road noise, so you really don't have to keep messing with it yourself. And finally, secret number 1. Your car can lock itself when you walk away. Many modern cars can automatically lock the doors as soon as the key fob moves out of range. That means, hey, no more running back to check if you locked the car.